This video I'll be teaching you how to create a Facebook page like in just 5 minutes. Alright, so let's go. So to get to this interface, if you are not familiar with this kind of page, so what you do is you just come to your browser and type something like Facebook business.facebook business.facebook.com. So when you click on this place, so it will take you to dashboard like this. All right, but if you've not created your account on Facebook business, so you just go to YouTube and search how to create a Facebook business ad manager, and you have step by step on on how to create it. So when you log into your the Facebook business manager, to take you to your home. All right, so I want to show you how it will look like. All right, so your home business manager is going to look like this, and probably those things are not going to be there if it is just a new business manager account. So, however, you're going to have the basic interface. All right, so to run a Facebook page, like you click on this place that says All Tools. So when you click on this icon here, so and you see something like this, ads manager. This is where we'll be running our ad from. So you click on it, so it will take you directly to the interface we have before, okay, where we are going to be running our ad. What we're going to do, click on this create button, and we'll have the interface where we are asked to choose our objective. Okay, so the objective we're going to be using in this video is engagement, because it is a Facebook page like campaign. So click on continue and wait for it to load. So the first thing you will have to do is give your campaign a name. So I'll just call it a page like campaign. Page like campaign. So that is all on this section. The next thing, you click on the next button and just confirm this thing, and you are good to go. So now, on Facebook ad or Facebook advertisement has about 3 levels. We have paid campaign, we have the ad set level, and we have the ads level. We are on the ad set level right now. So and then we'll try to give it a name. We give it a name, and we'll call it Facebook, just like page like ad set. Okay, just call it like that. And so since it's a Facebook page so what we do is click on this Facebook page instead of all these options. So click on this one. You see another face another thing will pop up, which is asking us to choose the page we want to use. So as for me, I have other 8 pages on this ad account, but I just want to use this one because this is the one that is being connected and I've been using it. Okay, so and just scroll down. Then what I want to do, because you have to be careful with this kind of campaign, you might forget that you are running a like campaign and it will be taking a budget. So it's just a like campaign, and it's a way of boosting our trust with Facebook before we start running our conversion ad. So what we want to do is that we click on this one. We use life budget instead of daily budgets. Okay, so what we'll do is that we just put an amount here, which is going to be 500 naira. So you just make it 500 naira, and something like this is going to pop up. This is because you see the range here is it's kind of 1 year range instead of just 1 day. So what we'll do here, we'll just come to this place and just edit it. Change this one to, let's see, 11. All right, then change this thing. Change the first one to, let's say, 20. Then this one 11. So you can see all this thing has to be, it's not there again. On 30th of 11, it's still saying our budget is too small, so we can change it to 19th, which is just 1 day ad budget. So and then it's not here again, so we just want to spend like 500 naira for this page like campaign. So the next thing, after you've changed your schedule and everything, and make sure the this budget is in 500 naira anti-life budget. So the next thing is you come to your location, you choose Nigeria, and I want to choose people who are living in this location because these are people who are my target audience. So the next thing I want to do is the age. So I will change the age range to from 20 to something like 50 years, and that is all. So I'll come to this placement. I'll choose manual placement, and I'll just want my ad to show on Facebook feed. That is all I want. So now that we are done, we can see that with our budget of 500 naira, we can reach about 301k people per day, and our page likes is going to be within the range of 25 to 73 page likes, which is okay. So what we want to do is that we click on next. Now we are on ad level, and just give it a name, page like ad, just page like something like that, and we come to this place. This is the place where we'll be adding our the images we want to use to do the campaign. So if you want to use video, you can just click on this icon, this extension, and you'll have a place to use your video. But I just want to use image, so I'll click on the image, and I already have some images here I can use. But if you don't want to, if you don't have any image here, like if you not used your account before, you don't have anything here, so what you do is just come to this place and click on upload. Then you can come, you take it to your computer and search all the images you have and just choose one. You can use your own image too. So I'll just click on this thing and on next. So it's going to show me a kind of a way to crop my image, so or to adjust it to my taste. So what I want to do here is I will click on original, because on the former one the text are outside my design. So I'll click on done, and boom, it's here. So the next thing we want to do is that we want to update, want to put in our primary text, what people are going to see and like our page too. It's very pretty easy, and it's just a way of telling them, giving them a direction on what to do. I'll just write something like, are you interested in starting an Amazon Kindle direct publishing? So follow. Now ask them to like my page. Like this page and follow me for more awesome content. And I want to put something like emoji. I would like this one, put it, and that is all. So you can see our campaign is ready. What to do is that in the final step is clicking on this publish button. Once you hit on this publish button, your ad will load and it will be subject to review. So the review process will take like 3 to 4 days. Sorry, it will like few hours to 24 hours. So depending on Facebook algorithm. So once it is being reviewed, the next thing is that it will be approved and your campaign will be ready for delivery. All right, so you can see here I have some other ads, but this is one we just created, page like campaign, so it's still here, and that is because it is delivering. No, it is not delivering, it's still under processing. Once it start, after you finish processing, the next thing it will tell you is that it will tell you it's under in review. Then they will send you an email, and in email and to get notification that your campaign has started or scheduled to start delivering. All right, so this brings us to the end of this video. If you like this content and enjoy um the the video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So that whenever I release video like this, Facebook will actually automatically send you a notification that I've uploaded a new video.